Welcome to Cooking with Feelings. Today we're going to be making gooey butter almond cake. It's not really a cake, it's more like a slice of delicious bar. I'm going to be making several dedications because there's a lot going on in the month of March. A, my sister-in-law's birthday. B, my mom's birthday. Today is my mom's birthday, so happy birthday, Mom. Sorry I'm doing this instead of calling you. It also was my sister-in-law's birthday like a few days ago, and this is her trademark dish. Gooey butter almond cake she would always make when we were like having friends over, and so it's very nostalgic because of that. And also, it kind of originates in St. Louis. It's from Missouri. It's like me. Yay. Anyway, it's really simple. It's way simpler than anything I normally do. Sugar, eggs, flour, vanilla almond, butter, almonds, salt. That's it. This is going to be like next level simple. So it's going to be a short video. You're welcome, because the other one was 10 minutes long. Sorry. Here we go. I've melted the butter by a simple process called microwavization. And I brought all my ingredients over here. First thing we're going to add is our melted butter. Then we're going to crack in dos egos. Actually, I think I'll add the sugar first. Then the eggs. And blend it with this sweet mixer my sister-in-law got me. Yeah. So we've added in our butter and our eggs and our sugar. Blend it up till it's like nice and smooth. Then I'm going to add in, I think it calls for like a teaspoon of vanilla, or sorry, half a teaspoon. So I'm just going to dump some in there. And then 2 teaspoons of almond extract, so I'm just going to dump some in there. The almond extract is like key. So I'm going to do multiple dumps. Add a sprinkle of salt. Seems good. And then last I'm going to add the flour, but I'm going to blend this all up first. That is all. So we blend it all up, all beautiful like. It's as simple as pouring it into a pan, sprinkling some almonds on top. That's literally it. The oven you set at 350. I was prepared, so I already turned it on. It's at 350. Assuming this pan is the right size, this should all fit in here quite nicely. Gonna sprinkle some almonds on top. Seems like a good amount, right? Yep. Beautiful. Then we're gonna put it in the oven for like maybe 30 to 45 minutes, I think. Ta-da! That's it. So we just got it out of the oven. It's cooled a little bit. You're supposed to let it cool for some amount before you cut it. I did not let it cool for that long because of who I am as a person. Hey, that kind of worked. It's delicious though. Delicious. The end.